A business case is not a document which business analysts working in IT solution implementation projects need to refer on a day-to-day basis. Yet, it is one of the most important documents of a project, and I believe all business analysts should be aware of this. In today's video, we will try to understand the purpose of a business case. Let's begin. When we join a new IT project as a business analyst, we may be one of the very first persons joining the project. And it is we who define the requirements based on discussions with business stakeholders, for which a solution is later designed, developed, and implemented into life. While these stages, starting from requirements definition until the live implementation of the solution, can be considered as a software development lifecycle, does this also represent the entire lifecycle of the business change for which the IT solution is being implemented, or are we missing something? To answer this question, let us take a step back and think whether there could have been any other activities prior to deciding to implement this project in the first place. And the answer to this question is yes, definitely, isn't it? For example, one of the prior activities will be to secure the funds or budget that is required to onboard the team. Now, why should the management allocate these funds to onboard the team? It is definitely because they are expecting some benefits to be achieved as a result of this project's implementation. Now, the next question arises, how did they come to know about these benefits? The answer to this is the business case. A business case is a key document in a business change project in which the findings of analysis done on a particular problem or business opportunity and the proposed actions on these are put forward to senior management to consider. It is one of these proposed actions that later results in the creation of the IT project team into which we join as business analysts for defining the detailed requirements and implementing the solution. A business case is also used to check whether the benefits that were expected from the solution has been realized after the solution has become operational. An additional point to note here is that a business case is a living document that is reviewed regularly. This review is done due to two reasons. One, to accommodate changes in the business environment. In other words, this is to ensure that any changes in the business environment that the organization operates in has not invalidated the business case. For example, if a competitor organization is found to have recently implemented a similar IT solution and it has been a failure, then our organization may wish to reconsider whether to further proceed with this project or make necessary changes to its original plan. Another easy and relatable example is the COVID-19 pandemic, when the regular cash inflow of companies were impacted and as a result of which many IT projects were put on hold. Two, to accommodate the additional knowledge gained as the project progresses. In other words, as the project proceeds, more is learned about the proposed solution and the costs and benefits of implementing it, based on which the senior management may wish to reconsider the initial plan for the project. For example, after we join the project as a business analyst and define the detailed requirements after discussing with business stakeholders, several additional details of the project may be discovered which may not have been identified as part of the initial study, thereby increasing the scope and cost of implementing the project. Similarly, as part of the technical design, several technical complexities may be uncovered, thereby requiring additional funds to be pumped into the project than was initially expected. Hope you now have an improved understanding of the relevance of a business case for an IT project. Please do like this video and also leave a comment if you found this really helpful, as it is very encouraging. We will discuss the contents of the business case in another video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.